Your Excellency, as a country, we cannot have a conversation about human rights, about reparations, about compensation, without honoring and recognizing the enduring and courageous role played by the late Right Honorable Raila Odinga, whose consistent advocacy for the respect of human rights and reparations for victims of violations has significantly contributed to sustaining this important national conversation. He was very passionate about addressing human rights violations as a critical step in confronting the historical, socio-economic, and political challenges that have continued to affect our beloved nation. So today's event, Your Excellency, is therefore the greatest tribute that we can have as a nation to honor the legacy of the late Right Honorable Raila Odinga, and implementing the recommendations herein is a posthumous honor to his legacy. Your Excellency, your bold and deliberate decision to require this reparations framework demonstrates a profound understanding that the state's obligations to victims must be fulfilled through structured, principled, and time-bound action grounded in law, policy, and institutional commitment. This truly reflects our national moral obligation and profound need for justice, accountability, reconciliation, and national healing. It recognizes that sustainable peace cannot be built upon unaddressed grievances, and that genuine unity requires acknowledgement of past wrongs, restoration of dignity to victims, and a collective commitment to ensuring that such violations never recur. Your Excellency, the Commission accepted and embraced this responsibility with utmost humility, seriousness, unwavering resolve, and above all, a deep sense of national duty and commitment to justice.